The moment you power on the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB developer kit, you realize that this is not a normal computer, because everything about it feels engineered for one purpose, which is delivering massive artificial intelligence performance right at the edge. And unlike traditional desktops that depend on cloud resources, this tiny board brings extreme computing power directly into your workspace, allowing you to run complex neural networks, real-time computer vision, and advanced robotics workloads without ever touching an external server. And as you start loading your models, the 64 gigabytes of memory immediately shows its value, because large datasets, high-resolution video streams, and multi-network pipelines all run side by side without choking the system. And when you deploy applications, you see how smoothly everything flows from camera input to inference to output, because the architecture is built specifically for parallel AI workloads, meaning latency is reduced and responsiveness feels instant, which is critical for projects like autonomous vehicles, smart cameras, and industrial automation. And over time, you begin to understand that this developer kit is not just about speed, it is about enabling ideas that were previously impossible outside of massive data centers, because now researchers, students, and engineers can prototype advanced systems on a single board sitting on their desk. And that changes how experimentation happens, because instead of waiting for remote compute resources or simplifying your models, you can push boundaries in real time, testing vision pipelines, robotics logic, or deep learning frameworks exactly as they will behave in the real world. And after a few weeks of working with it, you stop thinking of the Jetson AGX Orin as a piece of hardware and start thinking of it as your personal AI laboratory, because every project you imagine, from drone navigation to medical imaging simulation to smart factory controls, suddenly feels achievable. And that is what makes this 64 gigabyte developer kit so important, because it takes the future of artificial intelligence and puts it directly into your hands.